Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the font color in the VLC application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then just scroll down until you reach the subtitles section, and here just click on the font color button, and here you have several colors to choose from, so just click on one and your font color will be changed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.